KEYDIY KD-X4 and KD-MAX VAG 5C5D key programming update you must see. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted space where automobile diagnostics and key programming are explained clearly, practically, and without confusion. Now let me start with something that will immediately grab your attention. What if I told you that very soon, adding VAG 5C and 5D keys for Volkswagen, Audi, and even Porsche is going to become significantly easier, faster, and cleaner without adapters and without sending keys anywhere? Before we go deeper, here's a quick and important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything shared here is intended to guide technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts. We follow fair use principles, and any visuals or references are only used for review and education. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow manufacturer procedures and local regulations when working on vehicles. Also, just so you know, the tools you see discussed here are the same tools I personally use at Baabji Motors. You'll find them linked in the description as affiliate products. Supporting the channel through those links costs you nothing extra and directly helps Baabji Motors continue bringing real-world diagnostic content to you. Now here's the big update. KEYDIY is preparing a major software release for both the KD-X4 and KD-MAX devices, and this update brings VAG 5C and 5D key programming into the spotlight. We're talking about add key functionality for Volkswagen MQB 49 platforms using 5C keys, Volkswagen and Audi 5D keys, and even Porsche 5D key systems. And that's not all. This same update also expands into premium territory, offering no disassembly key adding for BMW BDC and BCP systems, including LCD keys, Rolls-Royce key adding without opening modules, and even Toyota Supra key adding without dismantling interior components. That's a massive leap in capability packed into one software release. What really changes the game here is that no adapter is required. That means fewer accessories, fewer connection points, and a cleaner workflow overall. Even more importantly, this process does not require sending the original key out to read data. Everything is handled locally, saving time and avoiding unnecessary risk. Now let's talk about 5C and 5D keys specifically, because this is where many technicians still get confused. Original 5C and 5D key data can be read through wire soldering. This is not a guessing game or a shortcut process. It involves precise wiring connections to specific points on the keyboard, allowing the programmer to read the necessary data directly from the original key. At Baabji Motors, we are sharing wiring diagram references to help you understand this process clearly. For VAG 5C keys, this includes wiring layouts for Volkswagen 5C flip keys, Volkswagen 5C flip smart keys, and Volkswagen 5C smart keys. Each key type has slightly different solder points, and understanding those differences is critical for successful key data reading. We are also covering Porsche 5D key wiring layouts, which follow a different internal structure compared to Volkswagen and Audi keys. Knowing where to connect, what voltage behavior to expect, and how to protect the keyboard during soldering is essential. One wrong connection can turn an expensive key into a very shiny paperweight, and nobody wants that sitting on their workbench. Here's something that often surprises technicians. Even though this process sounds advanced, the real challenge is not the software. The real challenge is patience and precision. The tools can do the heavy lifting, but your hands still need to be steady. Think of it like performing surgery, just with more coffee and less dramatic background music. Now let me ask you something important, and this is where I want you thinking ahead. With no adapter required, no key shipping, and support expanding across VAG, BMW, Rolls-Royce, and Toyota platforms, is key programming finally becoming more accessible for independent workshops, or is it still a skill reserved only for specialists? Stick with me till the very end, because I'll answer that question with my honest perspective, plus I'll share a useful insight that can save you both time and money in real-world jobs. As the software release approaches, one thing is very clear. KEYDIY is pushing hard to reduce barriers in key programming. Reading 5C and 5D key data through wiring may sound intimidating at first, but with the right diagrams, proper tools, and careful technique, it becomes a repeatable and reliable process. This is exactly why Baabji Motors focuses not just on tools, but on understanding how and why these systems work. Now let's answer the question from earlier. Is key programming finally becoming more accessible? In my opinion, yes, absolutely. Tools like the KEYDY-X4 and KD-MAX are closing the gap between dealership-level capability and independent workshops. But accessibility does not mean careless work. The technicians who succeed will be the ones who respect the process, follow wiring diagrams correctly, and keep learning as systems evolve. Here's a quick tip before we wrap up. Always practice soldering techniques on scrap boards before touching an actual customer key. That small habit can prevent costly mistakes and build confidence faster than any software update ever could. If this update excites you, I'd genuinely love to hear your thoughts. Drop your experience, questions, or even your concerns in the comments. And if this video helped you understand VAG 5C and 5D key programming better, show your support by hitting the like button and pushing this video toward 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. If you relate to this content and work with keys and diagnostics daily, hype this video up and subscribe to Baabji Motors for more real-world updates. Don't forget, the exact tools discussed here are linked in the description through our affiliate tags. Supporting the channel that way keeps this knowledge flowing. And if you really want to stand behind Baabji Motors, consider joining the channel membership. It's one of the strongest ways to help us grow and keep producing in-depth content like this. Thanks for staying with me till the end. Keep learning, keep improving your skills, and, as always, happy diagnosing.